Welcome to Hands-on Equations Fractions Lesson 4. In this lesson, we are going to be adding two things to our knowledge. So first, we are going to have an unknown on both sides of the equation. And also, instead of expressing the value of the unit fraction block using the color, we will now use its fractional notation, which I will show you in a minute. All right, so our first problem is 2y plus 1/3 y plus 4 equals y plus 20. So instead of putting that we are going to solve for our blue block, even though we are, we're going to write it in its fractional notation, which is 1/3 y. So we are solving for 1/3 y, and doing our check. So let's go ahead and set up our equation. So we have 2y plus 1/3 y plus 4 equals y plus 20. So now we're going to perform our legal moves, and we're going to remove a 4 from this side, leaving 16 on this side. And in the same way that we can remove a number cube, we can also remove a fractional block as long as they are of the same value. So I can remove a yellow block from this side and a yellow block from this side. Since I want to solve for my 1/3 y, I am now going to replace my yellow block with 3 blue blocks. When I replace my yellow block with 3 blue blocks, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue blocks on this side and 16 on this side. So if 4 of my blue blocks equals 16, that means each one is equal to 4. And since each of my blue blocks is equal to 4, that means that my yellow block is equal to 12, because 3 of those equals my yellow block. So my blue block is worth 4 and my yellow block is worth 12. And now I will reset up my original equation in order to do my check. So with my original equation set up, I can now do my check. And if my yellow is worth 12, on this side I have 12, 24. My blue block is worth 4, so I now have 28 plus 4 is 32. On this side I have 12 plus 10 is 22, and plus another 10 is 32. So my solution to this one is that 1/3 of y is worth 4, y equals 12, and my check is 32 equals 32. Our next example is y reduced by 1/6 y plus 5 equals 3/6 of y plus 11. So I could start to set this up with my yellow block, but I see immediately that I'm going to need to take a 1/6 away from it, and so I'm going to know that I need to actually set this up as my 6 green blocks so that I can remove 1/6. So if I set up my 6 green blocks like this, I can now remove 1/6 of those green blocks, add a 5, and then on this side I'm going to have 3 greens plus 11. So that is my setup, and now I'm going to perform my legal moves. So if I remove 5 from this side, I am left with 6 on this side. And now, again, I can remove my fractions blocks since they are the same as each other. So I can remove 3 fractions blocks from this side and 3 from this side, which leaves me with 2 of my green blocks left. So if 2 of my green blocks are equal to 6, that means that each one is worth 3. So if each of my 6 of y is worth 3, that means that my whole y would be worth 18. And now I can set up my original equation in order to do my check. So here is my original setup so that I can do my check. So if 1/6 y is equal to 3, on this side I have 15 plus 5, which is equal to 20. And on this side I have 9 plus 11, which is also equal to 20. So my answer for this one would be 1/6 of y equals 3, y equals 18, and my check is 20 equals 20. At this point, you can complete your work for lesson 4.